Hi, Leo Ryan here. Listen, today we're going to unbox the Gooloo 1500B, which is a car jump starter. Comes in a very nice case with the instruction manual, a warning label, and not happy with your purchase card, all in this little pocket in the back. We'll open it up. It's rather tightly in there. Well, especially when you try to take the middle of the case out. Here's the jumper pack unit itself. It says, caution, fully charged before use. And it says in a lot of different languages. Here's the jumper cables that come with it. Let's see where they plug in. Right here. Just like this. And it appears it is fully charged. It comes with a USB to USB-C cable and USB-C to USB-C cable and a USB to USB-C cable for charging. And it has two USB ports here. Looks like it's got one, let's see, one USB 2.0 and one USB 3.0 jacks. The on-off switch is here. It also has a flashlight, which I don't know how to turn on, but I'm certain that there's a way to do it. Anyway, that's it for the Gooloo GP 1500B. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.